project title is High Security Communication Using Software Defined Radio, which is commonly known as SDR. The main components used in our system are two PCs. This is a transmitter section PC and this is an intruder section PC. Our project consists of three kits. This is a transmitter section kit and this is a receiver section kit and this is an intruder section kit. Our main aim of our project is a secure transmission of data between the transmitter and receiver. Radios exist in a multitude of items such as cell phones, computers, car doors, openers, vehicles and televisions. The exponential growth in the ways and means by which people need to communicate using data communication, voice communication, video communication, broadcast messaging, command and control communications, emergency response communications, etc. Modifying radio devices easily and cost effectively has become business critical. Software defined radio technology brings the flexibility, cost efficiency and power to drive the communication forward with wide ranging benefits realized by service providers and product developers through to end users. A radio is any kind of devices that wireless transmits or receives signals in the radio frequency part of electromagnetic spectrum to facilitate the transfer of information. This reduces the number of different radio systems used by different military services. However, the implementation of such software-defined radio is not possible with current processor. Flexible combinations of software and hardware are typically needed to implement the transmission characteristics of radio technology, and it will be unnecessary for many applications. The existing system is a hardware alone for radio frequency transmission, where the transmission must be in fixed frequency modulation and parameters. The entire path from allocation of the cryptographic material over the generation of the keys to high security distribution of operational and administrative data. The operators are supported by adaptive software components such as reminder for cyclic update intervals. Security is maximized in these scenarios because the strength of both symmetric and asymmetric key materials and authentication are employed. Our proposed system is a software-defined radio which can tune to any frequency band during transmission of data between the transmitter and receiver. It can able to transmit and receive different modulation and different physical parameters across the large frequency spectrum by programmable hardware and software. An SDR performs significant amount of signal processing in general-purpose computers and a recomparable pulse of digital frequency and the combination of both. The platform to transmit and receive the OFDM signal with QPSK and BPSK modulations. Here we are changing the modulation block and parameters into software by using embedded technology. In our proposed system, high security is maintained that there is no possibility of vulnerability. This is our transmitter section which is connected to a PCA of transmitter through UART. This is a software defined radio dialog box which pops out on the transmitter section PC. Section which is connected to a PC with using a UART. Software defined radio dialog box pops out in the receiver section too. Frequency band is set at the transmitter section and the corresponding modulation is set at the transmitter section, where the same frequency and modulation is set at the receiver section too. When a transmitter sends some data in the transmitter section, it is received in the receiver section. When an intruder tries to recover data during the transmission between the transmitter and receiver, an alert dialog box blocks in both the transmitter section and the receiver section. When the dialog box pops out, we can change the frequency band and the corresponding modulation in both the transmitter and section and receiver section. The same frequency band and the modulation should be used both in the transmitter section and receiver section. This could be done using the Morse codes which is used in military applications. Thank you. This is our project. Hope you